Hey, if you want to enable the two-step verification on the WhatsApp mobile application, first you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and open the settings. From here, go for account and select the two-step verification. Now we have to click to turn on, and from here we have to create the 6-digit PIN that we can remember. So in my case, I'm gonna use very simple code just for this video, and now we have to confirm with the same code that we input few seconds ago. So that's how it looks. Click save, and now as you can see, we can also additionally add email in case we forget this PIN. So I can also recommend you to turn on this feature. So click to add the mail and input your email, then click next, and now as you can see, the WhatsApp sent us the verification code into our email. So now you will have to open your email. In my case, I'm using Gmail, so I have to open the Gmail, and I will have this code just right here. So as you can see, now I have this code, so I have to click and hold to copy, then I have to go back into the WhatsApp and input this code right here. If for some reason you didn't have this code, click here to send a new code, then tap to verify, and now it's actually complete. So now as you can see, this two-step verification is turned on, and from here you can also turn it off or change the PIN. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.